Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to close a trade in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top menu bar you can see Portfolio option. Click on it. Then it will show you all your holdings. From the right side of your screen you can see a vertical 3-dot button. Click on it. Then you can see Close option. Click to close, then the trade will be closed. Then click to Done. This is how you can close trade on Interactive Broker. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.